Good evening, everyone. Welcome in evening session, and please subscribe and like my YouTube channel Bio with Dinesh Batra. Now, I am going to explain about expression of traits or the character. Heredity is the transmission of character from parents to offspring. This phenomena is known as heredity, and evolution is a slow, continuous, irreversible process of change by which the simple structure get converted into complex and complicated structure. So in this lecture I will explain about expression of the trait. Very important concept. So how traits get expressed themselves? Traits get expressed themselves due to genes. So what is gene? Genes are the segment of DNA. DNA is a very important biomacromolecule present in our cellular machinery. So DNA is a very important molecular structure. The process of formation of RNA from DNA, this process is called as transcription. And the process of formation of protein from RNA, this process is called as translation. Okay? Repeating the things, DNA to RNA, this process is called as transcription, and RNA to protein, this process is called as translation. So these two are very important concept, transcription and translation. Overall, the combination of these two processes, overall the process of formation of protein from DNA, this process is called as central dogma. Okay, the process of formation of protein from DNA, this process is called as central dogma. Now, protein is of two kinds. One is structural protein and second is the functional protein. Structural protein and functional protein. Structural protein also called building blocks, and functional protein which control our body function, our cellular function and body organization. Okay, so protein can be divided into category. Basically structural protein which are the building blocks like actin, myosin, osin, chondrin. Okay, these are the example of structural protein. Functional proteins are the enzymes and hormones. Enzymes are the biocatalyst and hormones are those chemical messenger. They are the controlling units. They required in very small amount. They control our body functioning. For example, so many hormones are present in our body like somatotrophic hormone, somatostatin hormone. I will explain about all these hormone in control and coordination. But presently, how trait get expressed itself. I summarize the topic. Trait get expressed itself due to genes. Genes are the segment of DNA, and DNA meant for formation of protein. So formation of protein, डीएनए से जो हम प्रोटीन बना रहे हैं, ओवरऑल द प्रोसेस कैन बी डिवाइडेड. ओके, द प्रोसेस ऑफ फॉर्मेशन ऑफ आरएनए फ्रॉम डीएनए, दिस इज कॉल्ड एज ट्रांसक्रिप्शन, एंड द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ प्रोटीन from RNA, this is called as translation. Overall, the process is called as central dogma. Protein can be divided in two categories. One is the structural and second is the functional protein. Structural protein are the building blocks and functional proteins are the enzymes and hormones. They control our body functioning, and due to enzymes, hormone and structural protein, our characters differ from each other. Okay, thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel Bio with Dinesh Batra. Thank you.